The high level of community's consumption improved the interest of the community to have a credit card. On this segment, I tried to deliver you some data about credit card in Indonesia. First data, of course, about the total credit card transaction. We're going to see this one is taken from the Asosiasi Kartu Kredit Indonesia. And in 2014, the total credit card transaction had reached 250.1 trillion rupiah. The trend was keep increasing to 2018. The number of credit card transactions had reached 305.2 trillion rupiah. Indonesia Credit Card Association Secretary General Steve Marta admitted that the number of credit cards in 2018 year was indeed stagnant compared to the previous year. This, among others, is caused by the consolidation carried out by publishers regarding cards that are already inactive as a step to carry out cost efficiency. The value of credit card transactions over the past year reached 305 trillion rupiah, only growing 5.6% compared to the previous year at 288 trillion rupiah. So how about the number of credit card issued by the credit card issuer? Let's see the data. By year 2014, the number of credit card issued by the card issuer reached only 16 million cards. And the trend also showing the inclining from 2014 to 2016, but the number a little bit slightly decreased in 2017. But going back, it was back to the inclining trend. By 2018, the number of the credit card issued by the credit card issuers reaching 17.3 million cards. Indonesia Credit Card Association also noted the number of credit card transactions last year only rose 3.4% compared to the previous year to 330.14 million transactions, with the number of credit cards at the end of the last year also only slightly increased by less than 1%, from 17.23 million to 17.27 million cards. And hopefully this year, the industry estimates the number of credit cards will grow in the range of 3 to 4%. There's a list of reasons why the credit card usage was decreased. Let's see the data. The first reason is the limitation from Bank of Indonesia. People who have income lower than 10 million rupiah may only have 2 credit cards. And then the second reason is the fintech. The credit card is no longer one of option to get loan. And the third reason is decreasing household consumption. The retail sales survey from Bank of Indonesia has dropped since the beginning of this year. Currently, associations and banks are exploring the causes of the decline in the number of transactions, even though the number of credit cards has increased. For example, credit cards are no longer an option for people to get loans. The increasing number of banking products also influences the demand for credit cards, such as financial technology company, which has easier steps to apply loan. So who are the most popular credit card issuer in Indonesia? We're going to see the data. The first one is Bank Mega, Bank Mandiri, Bank BCA, Citibank, and of course Bank BNI. A credit card is supposed to facilitate a financial transaction, making it easier compared to using other payment options such as cash. These top credit card providers in Indonesia claim that they understand the customer needs and lifestyle, hence offering some good deals to help everyday spending habits. These banks also came up with credit cards promotions, offers, and deals to customers, especially to those with good credit scores, and also to retain the interest of existing customers with exciting promotions. And how about the rate of percentage of credit card holder in Asia? Let's see the data. Where's actually Indonesia? We have Japan with the credit card holder rate reaching 52%, Singapore 31.3%, and after that we got Philippines. The Philippines reaching 8.1%, and Indonesia reaching only 5% in the credit card holder rate in Asia, and Vietnam only 1%. Managing Director of Southeast Asia and Emerging Markets Experian Deva Diman revealed the small number of credit card users in Indonesia due to limited access to banking, because the credit card submission requirements are quite strict, so that the people have difficulty getting it. On the contrary, Indonesia is a very progressive country to increase its access to finance, where Indonesia has a demographic bonus of 252 million people, with 90% being smartphone users. And stay tuned on market headlines. We'll be right back after the break.